So I going into the cabin and start the engine. So hey guys, well now I'm starting to remove the bracket here for removing it up to the spare pump. So first I have to loosen up. Hey guys, after I installed the spare diesel giving, I am stopping up with doing the wheelhouse, and I just declaring something about why the engine isn't running properly as it should. So unfortunately I had to change the diesel pump with another one, with spare one, what I think got from my youngest son Ivan, and mounted it this one or that one, and we got the same problems. The engine will not run properly. So the next move were I delivered my diesel injectors, 4 pieces, in this week to a firm who recalibrated and overhaul the injectors, and these I will get back also in Wednesday or Thursday, we will see. And then I will put out the injectors who are in the engine now and change with new ones. I'll go back later again. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye. Today I'm doing some grinding on my wheelhouse over there. That haven't had the time before just now, so I am taking care of it and address it, make it nice and easy and smooth. I'm doing with the editing of the video. So just tidy up because starting up my compressor and do the fine grinding. So that's a bit getting nice and smooth. Hey guys, and good morning. It's very sunny today. It's warm. It's about 22 degrees, so very nice. I had to make a new screw hole in the for the diesel filter in the top, because the little screw here wasn't correct anymore and it did sucks air. So I hope I have solved the issue now, so that the engine is going steady and easy. But I'm not sure about it. We have also done apart other things. Put my can in here. Stands, okay. We might also total new hoses to the the diesel injectors because they were old and not that good anymore. So 1, 2, 3 and a little small one here. And this one to the return. So all the hoses are new, so I hope the air sucking problem is solved now. Hey guys, today Ivan kom med the Caravelle GL Blue Petrol. So he's coming and delivers a little diesel for getting the T3 again, starting the engine. This was a nice Syncro, isn't it, Ivan?
It's nice.
Nice Syncro.
Nice car.
Nice car, Syncro.
It's a Syncro.
Okay. From which year?
1991.
1991. Wow, beautiful car.
2.1 gasoline.
Okay.
112 horsepower.
Yes, sir.
And diff lock on the rear axle.
Okay.
So it achieved a lot in the off-roading.
Okie dokie. Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Something to bite.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.